Hi, welcome to the Estate Manager demo. Estate Manager is a comprehensive real estate management system that lets landlords efficiently manage properties, tenants, property assets, maintenance requests, rental income, and expenses. Plus, it provides a live analytics dashboard with all your data, all in one place. And for tenants, they can easily log in and pay their rent through the platform, be it via bank transfer, Stripe, or even cryptocurrency. Regardless of the payment method, you will receive your funds. We've got that covered. This is the landing page of Estate Manager. Here you can see an introduction to the system, its cool features, and an FAQ section. You can also provide feedback if you like. Now let's dive straight into the demonstration. I am now logged in as a landlord. This is the landlord's dashboard, summarizing information from the past 12 months. You can see details like rental income, expenses, and net rental income. You also have an income expense chart, showing the relationship between your income and expenses over the past year. A property net income weightage chart indicating which property yields the most net income, and expenses by category chart highlighting the most costly expense categories, and a cumulative net income chart showing your profit trends over time. There's also an upcoming payment section indicating expected rental income and due dates. You can filter the dashboard by any date range you prefer, like so. Notice how all the charts update accordingly. If you prefer, you can switch to dark mode. Next, in the management section, you can view and edit your profile. Nothing fancy here. The properties page lists all your properties, summarizing their total market value, loan balance, and equity. You can search, filter, and sort properties here. If you have a new property, simply create a new record. Congratulations on your new property. Now let's imagine you have a new tenant for this property. Go to the Tenancies module page and create a new tenancy record. Congratulations, this pal is now your new tenant. You might want to add property assets like a table or air conditioner before renting it out. Why? Because it keeps track of your property assets condition before renting it to your tenant. Also, your newly created tenant will receive an invitation email from Estate Manager. After verifying their email, they can use Estate Manager to pay rent in the future. Tenants can make rental payments through the rental payment module. They just need to click on Add Payment to see their pending payments. They have three options: cryptocurrency, manual payment, or Stripe. For example, if the tenant pays by Stripe, they will be redirected to the Stripe payment page to fill in their payment details and proceed. If they choose to pay with cryptocurrency, they will receive a cryptocurrency invoice notification. They can then proceed to pay according to the details in the invoice. For example, here's a Tenants Test cryptocurrency wallet paying the rental. Simply copy the address and cryptocurrency amount from the invoice and pay accordingly. The transaction time depends on the blockchain speed. While waiting for the transaction, let's try a manual payment. Pay according to the bank details provided in the pop-up and create a new payment record. Remember to upload the payment receipt so the landlord can review and approve the payment. Once the manual payment is initiated, the landlord receives an email notification to review and approve it. You can approve the payment by checking the receipt, then updating the payment status from pending approval to paid. The tenant will be notified of the successful payment. Both landlord and tenant can check all historical payment records in the rental payment index page. You can even export rental payments here. Just select the columns you need to export it, and download it in CSV or Excel format. After some time, the cryptocurrency payment goes through. We can verify this from the rental payment index page. Here's the paid record. Click into it to see the details of the cryptocurrency payment. Both parties can verify the payment from the Explorer URL and the invoice URL. Imagine a few months later, the air conditioner breaks and the tenant wants to raise a maintenance request. They can do this in Estate Manager. They create a new maintenance request and the landlord receives an email about it. The landlord can view the request details, approve or reject it, and the tenant will be notified accordingly. Both parties can track the request status in Estate Manager. When the status is updated, the other party gets an email notification. Once completed, the maintenance request is automatically recorded as a new rental expense, so you don't have to create it manually. Additionally, tenants receive automated rental payment reminders 3 days before the due date set by you, so you don't have to remind them yourself. Both parties also receive tenancy expiry reminders a month before the agreement is due, allowing time to take necessary actions. That's about it. Thanks for watching this demonstration of Estate Manager. If you're curious, this system is developed by me using Laravel PHP. Bye!